morning, top of the morning, YouTube. It's about 3 something in the morning. I'm out here in Utah. Gotta go to Ginseng, Utah. Then I'll be headed down to Wilmington, city of Wilmington, California. Work is low-key picking up some more, man. You know, I mix it in, you know. I do other loads for other dispatchers, and then I jump right back on my Amazon. You know what I'm saying? And then tomorrow, I got a heavy load to take up to north of, I want to say Nevada. But yeah, you know, work is like picking up even more, you know? Shit, God is good, you know? Man, I'm tired, man, but I'm focused. Just getting it in each and every way. Now, you know, I'm supposed to be staying away from coffee, but I had to have me like a small cup of coffee. I guess every now and then